Strobe lights are uncomfortable. They flash at high BPM intervals and are often implemented to overstimulate an audience and create an almost hallucinatoric effect. The cognitive process that turns motion into stop motion when perceived in quick rhythmic intervals is called a stroboscopic effect. A collection of marks can reveal an image as shape and value start to overlap. It follows the same concept as the more you flip a coin, the more likely you are to see heads. Kind of like representing likeness. Likeness doesn't necessarily mean representing your subject accurately. It can be something more. Aesthetically, building up a field of marks can create atmosphere, texture, movement, and gesture. While practically, the more you record, the more informed you become. Mark making is one of the only tools we have to conduct visual research. Some representational artists prioritize balancing these two attributes of mark making. They try to achieve a likeness through accurate marks that evoke these aesthetic qualities. To really feel the effect of mark, try recording indiscriminately for about 15 minutes on a large surface. Do your best to touch every inch, and don't think too much. Often, I let my marks do my analysis for me. This results in some unexpected revelations. Here, my pinky just appeared out of nowhere. In most cases, you will have a variety of marks you can make. As simple as using pressure to control a pencil's line weight. I had my entire graphite toolbox to draw with today. Sometimes mark making can obscure what came before it. It can overpower the record you have perceived. You might use your eraser like a white pastel to record into shadow, or use a darker mark to clarify an edge. There is an infinite amount of visual data to perceive at any given moment, and our creativity is the only limit when representing it on a page. Check out my channel for more drawing concepts. I stream a few times a week, and you can get notified by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Thanks for coming.